Hello viewers, welcome to the Pharma Awareness Channel. Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals takes a big step into Africa. India's largest contract manufacturer, Akums Drugs has signed a framework agreement with the government of Zambia to set up a local pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. This project shall be implemented through incorporation of a new joint venture company in Zambia, in which Akums will be a majority partner owning 51% stake and a nominated Zambian state instrumentality owning 49% stake. The facility is expected to commence manufacturing in 2028. The facility plans to manufacture general oral solids, liquids, and injectable as well as beta-lactam products. Until the Zambia plant is ready, GRZ has committed to purchasing medicines worth $50 million directly from Akums India facilities. The facility, in the future, also plans to export to neighboring countries including, but not limited to, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Botswana, Malawi, Tanzania, and Mozambique, etc. Really, this is a great collaboration and partnership. Not only strengthens Akums' international footprint but also supports Zambia's national health programs by boosting access to essential medicines.
Such kind of countries becoming self-reliant in terms of fulfilling their need for essential medicines. And since that day we started discussion on this topic, the major topic was that how we solve the problem of making essential medicines available to the common public of Zambia. So I'll say this is much beyond commerce. The day we realized that okay, we have become very instrumental in terms of making this dream possible, that someday you come back to us and we together realize that now Zambia is absolutely fully reliant on its local production of medicines, which is the most common necessity of the people.
Drugs. According to the agreement that has been signed today, close to 150 different products will be produced in Zambia, making us almost self-sufficient in the acquisition of such drugs and medicines.
I must alert you as citizens that the health sector has been dogged with problems for probably 20 years, and we are committed to rooting out those problems.
Government says the factory will create jobs, build skills, and reduce Zambia's dependence on imported drugs. The agreement has been signed, and the Ministry of Health, represented by Dr. Kennedy Shimpi, says they are ready to begin the process of getting the factory up and running.
So friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more videos about pharmaceutical. Feel free share this post to you friends.